everybody, it's Gabe. I am here at my awesome school. I've got the Juggernaught here. I call it the Juggernaught because when you throw it, it looks as if it's so strong and it's so dart-like that it can crash through a wall. Let's watch it fly. First, start with a regular sheet of printer paper, sort of like this, and let's get started. First, fold the paper in half, like a hot dog. Usually you like to fold this in half, because then you get your folds a little bit more accurate. I don't know how, somehow you do it. Now you can fold this corner to this edge like this. If I did that a little fast, you can rewind that if you like and set the speed a little bit slower. And if you got that, we're gonna unfold and do the same on the other side. You're gonna unfold that one too. Now, usually people would do this if you ever fold here to there, but I am going to do something different by folding it like that. Now you can unfold that and fold it on the other side. There's a lot of unfolding on this plane, but we're nearly done with all the unfolding stuff. Now, what you're gonna do is now you see this sort of part where they intersect. You're gonna want to fold the paper down until you meet that. Make sure your creases are very good. This plane will not fly if it's sloppy. Now what you're gonna do is now you can fold them like this on the line. You can do the same with the other side. They will overlap, and that's okay. That's how the plane goes. Now you're gonna fold it like that again. Make sure it's to the line. Same on the other side as always. And when you open it up, you see that that's folded back. That's folded back. Just leave it. Then you can sort of lay them vertically. And you can see that sort of point there. See that triangle point? You're gonna fold them back, but you're gonna fold this so it's almost about to rip there. And then make sure that, here, this is actually a little tricky. You want the end of the crease to land on that point of the triangle I just pointed out, like that. If that was hard, but you still got it, I've got a shortcut for the other side. You're gonna fold it in half. And then fold this over to match with it. It's easier and it's more accurate. And now you can angle the plane like this and fold this down on that crease we just made. And with the other side. You can make it match if you want to, but I think it's easier to just fold it down on that. Now you're gonna lay it out. Well, let me do that again. I think I did that too fast. So you see this? You're gonna take your finger in there, lay it flat, and then flip it over. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold this down. Wow, I just came up with a reference. These 2 points right here, you can fold down on those, or you can just fold this thing down until it covers it a little bit. Make sure you really have to crease that to make it lay flat. Now you're gonna fold it in half, like away from you. Now you're gonna fold the wings down to the bottom edge. Oops. You gotta recrease that a little bit if it goes undone. Now you can flip it over and fold it down again. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna flatten it out, and you're gonna take these, fold it up to this edge to make stabilizers. Flip it over and fold it like that. Now open it up. And as you can see, the stabilizers are straight up. You don't want that. You want to sort of flatten it out so they're like at a diagonal angle, almost flat. And now what you're gonna do, here, see this should be at a positive angle, not like that. It actually works for some planes, but on this one, no, you have to hold it up a little so it's in this Y shape. And then lastly, you're gonna pinch that and then sort of bend up right at the edge of this. And what you're doing is you're creating elevators that make the plane angle up when it flies. You perfect your plane, just make adjustments, and then it's ready to fly. As most videos, I'm gonna do this again. Even my baby brother can throw it too.
Wait until I say go. Go get it. Throw it hard. Yeah. Ah!